Hi and welcome to House of Hybrids. Today the tutorial video is how to replace a cabin air filter. Okay, nowadays it's one of the main cause of respiratory disease and sometimes cancers because of the UV inhale everything on your car that goes through your bad cabin air filter. So I recommend you do every other oil change to change this, about 10,000 miles to change your cabin air filter. It's more secure for you. So you're gonna get in that case we are working on a 2008 Toyota Prius, and that works to anywhere from 2004 to 2009. It will be the same process. So you go to your glove compartment, you open your glove compartment, then you squeeze both sides here. You see there's a little teeth on both sides. We have this. After this is going to be hanging by a small shock. We need to slide this out. So when it's out, we just pull. There's this little clamps here that we slide in and out. So, and this is the shock. Okay, so inside here you're gonna see a little tray with two tabs, one in each side. We will press those in and push it out. That's it. And then you can see this one is starting already to getting kind of gray color. That's when it's already telling you that it's time to be changed, versus the other one is perfect white. Okay, so and to change, you're just gonna slide that out of the tray and put the other one in. Slide the other one in. Everything is secure in place. Now you need to make sure when you slide that back in, you're gonna see at the tray up and the arrow down, so you know it's gonna be like that and not like this. So and you just slide back in till you hear the click. Now we're gonna remember the little two clamps here is gonna go into those little rods. So we're gonna slide in. There you go. When you hear the clack, now you pull your shock in that direction and hold, and then when you get all the way to the little tab here, you push it in, slide in, and then you just push that back in again, kind of squeezing, and now it's gone. Test it to see if everything is good. Very good. So that's how it's done. And if you guys would like the link of the filter, I will be listing below. Okay, thank you, and I see you next video.